Hello family, and welcome back to my channel where we have real conversation over food. So everyone tells you to forgive others, but what about the person staring back at you in the mirror? When will you forgive yourself? Let me tell you a simple story. There was a woman named Pearl. To the outside world, she was strong, smiling and successful. But when the lights were off and the house was quiet, her mind whispered reminders of every mistake she had ever made. She had broken hearts. She had trusted the wrong people. She had showed love to people who never valued her. She had stayed too long in places where she wasn't valued. And though she had changed, grown, healed, became a better version of herself, she couldn't let herself forget or forgive. Maybe you are like Pearl, who carry guilt like is your last name. You replay the past like a movie you can't pause. You say, I should have known better. But hear me clearly, you don't have to keep pushing yourself for whom you were when you didn't know better. Every human makes wrong turns. We all carry scars. We all wish we could go back and fix something. But self-forgiveness isn't about pretending it didn't happen. It's about saying, yes, I messed up. I've learned. I've changed. And I still deserve peace. Ask yourself, if your best friend made the same mistake, would you hate her forever? If your child stumbled, would you hold it on their head for life? Then why do you treat yourself like you're not worthy of mercy? As Maya said, forgive yourself for not knowing what you don't know before you learned. You are not your past. You are not your worst moment. You are not the voice in your head that tells you will never be enough. You are growth. You are a future. You are light. You are redemption in motion. So today, take a deep breath, look in the mirror and say, I forgive you. Not because you're perfect, but because healing is your birthright. Forgive yourself. The version of you that is waiting on the other side, is it worth meeting? If you like this video, please do well to subscribe, like, share, and drop a comment. Let me know where you're watching from, so that I'll give you a big hug in the next video. Was this video interesting and helpful? Let me also know in the comment section. Please do well to share this video as many people who want healing. And thank you for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye.